Experiencing problems with your Spectrum Mobile eSIM? Let's address common activation issues. First, ensure your device is compatible and running the latest iOS 18 or Android 15. Scan the QR code from the Spectrum Mobile app or website, noting that these codes now auto-refresh to avoid expiration. If activation fails, force restart your device and reset network settings. Transferring your eSIM to a new device involves deactivating the old profile via the app or by contacting support. Before you begin, back up your contacts and data. Use the Spectrum app's transfer wizard and manually enter the new device's IMEI if prompted. If issues persist, utilize Spectrum's 24/7 chat support for assistance. Having signal issues with your Spectrum Mobile eSIM? First, toggle airplane mode to refresh your connection. Ensure your device's carrier settings are up to date and consider switching to LTE-only mode in network settings. Check your APN settings. For Spectrum, the access point name should be Internet with no username or password. If these steps don't resolve the problem, there may be a wider Verizon network outage. Spectrum partners with Verizon's 5G network. Keep an eye on updates, as Spectrum is moving towards fully cloud-based SIM management and eSIM-only plans by 2026. They are also working on AI-driven diagnostics in their app to reduce eSIM issues. In the future, you can expect fully cloud-based SIM management, eliminating transfers altogether, with Spectrum planning eSIM-only plans by 2026.